Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes guys, we have another unboxing. I'm super excited about this item. Anyway, if you guys like anything that's bag related, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family, and also please turn on your bell notification so that you're aware of every time that I post a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuing support. I love and appreciate you guys so much. Anyway, let's get into why we're doing this video. All right guys, so like I stated, this is an unboxing video. Obviously, I'm so super excited about the item that's in here, and I'll probably give you guys like a backstory of why I picked it up. But without any further ado, without holding you guys up at all, let's get into opening this box right now. My dandy ceramic box cutter. Okay. 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 All right, guys. Okay. So as you guys can see, I did pick up this item from Fashion File. It's been a while since I actually shopped from Fashion File. I feel like I've been shopping from either Rebag or Bagriculture, and I haven't shopped from Fashion File in a while. So I'm super excited about this. All right, guys. So let's move the camera a little bit back. So we already know what Fashion File box look like. I got my nail filer, which I love, and then the item is wrapped up with their little. Okay, so it says new is the new you. The use is the new you. Use is the new you. All right, guys. So let's move the box out the way. And I just want to make sure there's nothing else in the box. Okay, guys. So this is the item that I did pick up from Fashion File. Can you guys guess what it is by just looking at in the dust bag that came with Fashion File? All right, so let's open it. 3, countdown, 2, 1. All right, guys, I think you guys already know what it is. Yes, guys. Oh, wow, they actually stuff it, so that's really good. So I did pick up the Never Full. Oh, I finally add this to my collection, guys. Yes. Oh my God. Guys, this vachetta looks so good. Because I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it. I was like, you know what? Let me order it and see what the vachetta look like. Oh, look at this vachetta, guys. It looks so good. It's like a little wrinkle over here. Obviously, you expect that, but for it looked really good, guys. Oh my God. Let's look around it. So the vachetta is looking really good. It's not even and this is the size, just in case. So you do have the Fashion File certificate of authenticity, and then it tells you what kind of bag it is. It tells you that it comes with a dust bag, and I love the fact that they put the little bubble wrap in it. So let's look on the inside of this bag. I do have my Louis Vuitton dust bag, and then on the inside, all right guys, let's see if you can see, the inside looks so clean, guys. OMG. It feel like the person that actually owned this barely even used this bag, which is great news for me. Look at even the corner wear, guys. There's really is no corner wear at all. Sorry, guys, for the shaking. So as you can see, there's no corner wear at all, guys. Look. No corner wear. No corner wear. Oh my God, this bag is in great condition. So guys, this is the size. Sorry for my excitement. So this is the size that I purchased. I'm super excited about it. The only thing first, I was like, I don't know if I want to get it because it has this MPM on here. But as we know, you can create words of what you want the MPM to mean. So obviously, I've already created the word that I'm going to use obviously with this, and it honestly speaking, this MPM, what it stands for me, is so important because it's the most one of the most important people in my life. So I'm so excited that I was actually even able to find this, and with this type of wording on the front, the MPM. I am super excited. Like when I saw it, I was like, oh my god! Like I've been looking for this, especially with what that word stand for, with all those three initial, what the word that I put in place, what it means is so special to me. And the fact that it has a green interior, guys. I Okay, so one fun factor about me and my family, my oldest brother, I have two older brother and a little brother, but my oldest brother, his favorite color is actually green. So this is just everything about this bag is just so special. I've been looking to get this bag for so long. And guys, the other reason why I even ordered this bag, so we know the Neverfull right now at the Louis Vuitton, just the plain monogram, all of the Neverfull right now in the canvas is $2,030. I'm not sure with the price increase they're saying is coming. I'm not sure what that difference is, if that's going to go up or not. Okay, but guys, so $2,300 for the Neverfull, and I was thinking, I was like, maybe I'll probably get one from the store or whatever. But guys, I got this from Fashion File. Check a guess. I got this for $900, guys. Well, I think either 930 or 950 before tax. Yes, guys. So I purchased this for such a significant discount. And guys, like I stated, look how good this bag looked. There is no stain. And I've been looking for a bag. Obviously, it doesn't come with the pouch. I don't have any issue with that. I really don't care for the pouch, because I'm going to be using my personal like my other pouches that I have. So I really don't care for the pouch. But guys, this bag is so clean inside. And I've been looking for the Neverfull for a while, but for a good price, because I was like, I'm not paying no $2,030 for a canvas bag, first of all. In that, and trust me, I love Louis Vuitton. You guys know I love Louis Vuitton, but I'm not paying $2,030 for that. Okay. So I was like, you know what, though? I've been looking on the pre-love market, but most of them is either it comes significantly dirty on the inside. So if they're good prices, the inside is like really stained up, marked up, or the canvas itself, you have like scratches, or you have like rubbing, or you have like the corner have like significant wear for it to be that cheap. Guys, this literally, like, as soon as it came on the website, I was like, oh my god, price was perfect. These wording on the front, perfect. Well, this initials on here, perfect for what I wanted the bag to mean to me. And then the colors, my oldest brother's favorite color, perfect, guys. And it has the little blue on it, which is my favorite color. Guys, everything about this bag, I am in love. Okay. And then the fact that I got it for what? Way less, like more than half off, okay, from what the retail price is if I was to go buy this brand new in store. So guys, this is the quick unboxing that I wanted to do about this. I am so super excited to finally have the Neverfull in my collection. Oh my god. And like I stated, this is the size. If some of you guys are not aware, so this bag comes in three sizes. You have the PM, the and the GM. Okay, so this is the medium size right here. And guys, I could not be any more excited, guys. Like, I love the fact that you can cinch it, like cinch it the waist if you wanted it to cinch to give it a different look like that. Guys, I'm so super excited to actually have this tote in my collection. This is excited. Anyway, guys, so I just wanted to do this unboxing of this beauty right here. If you guys want me to do I'll probably do a full review or do a comparison of the Neverfull to one of my other totes that's more price reasonable. But like I stated, if you guys do want the Neverfull, honestly, I would recommend looking on the pre-love market before you actually go buy it brand new. Okay, don't get me wrong, this Neverfull, yeah, it holds like I know, I think I heard another YouTuber or somebody said how much it can hold, like over 2,000, I'm not sure, like 1,000 or something pounds, which I'm not going to be using it for that much pound. And I am going to get an organizer so that I can keep the structure of the bag, because I don't want it to slouch or anything. So I'm going to get an organizer. But guys, this bag, especially with the canvas, it can hold a it can hold for a long time. So you would definitely get your money worth out of this bag. A lot of people that own this bag like attest to how strong and durable this bag is. So I was like, yo, I need a good tote bag. I want to add this to my collection. I've been looking for it, but I wasn't, because I was so close to buying it before the last price increase, before it went to 2030. This was going to be actually I think this was going to be my my very first Louis Vuitton. But then when I went to, I think I went like a day late. So they had increased the price to like 2030 from, I think it was like 1,500. So I was like, oh no, I'm not paying that much for that. But I was I'm so super excited that I was able to find this on the pre-love market. These initials in the front, oh my God, it worked perfectly for me. So this was meant to be part of my collection. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and just showed you guys how great condition this thing look. Guys, look at the leather. Look, it doesn't have any brownness. It's starting to give that really nice golden brown. Oh my God. Because when you buy, oh, just the FYI, when you buy the Never Full brand new, the vachetta is like really white. Well, close to white if you can, but it's like really, really light. But then over time, it gives this very beautiful brown patina. You like, honestly, I don't even see any water stain on the, nothing at all on the I don't see any water stain at all on the handles, because a lot of times you have water stains on here. I don't see any water stain. I don't see any water stain in the inside. I think the person that basically had this kept it and just kept it like literally locked up, really looking good. Guys, look at the inside. No mark, nothing, no stain, nothing at all on the inside. Like, I feel like this is like literally brand new. This person just bought it, kept it in the dust bag so that it, or kept it in the house so that it could be this very beautiful brown patina, and never really used it. So what I'm probably gonna do, I'm gonna spray the, I got the Carbon Pro, so other people use the Apple Guard. They both do the same thing. Let me just show you guys real quick because I have it. So I'm gonna probably spray this on my handle just to keep it longer. So this one is actually good for, like, see, high tech protection, and it's for boot, clothes, bags, and all of those things. So I'm gonna spray this on the patina area, um, where the leather has the patina. The vachetta, I'm sorry, why am I saying patina? I'm sorry, guys. So the vachetta area, I'm going to spray the Apple Guard, the Carbon Pro on there, just to keep it, because I usually do that to all of my bag that comes with the vachetta leather. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.